Hi. In last video, we have seen how we can print the numbers from 0 to 100, which is divisible by 10 in the list format. And in this video, we are going to see how we can write a program to print the nested list in the matrix form. So basically, this is my list and which is the nested list. And the people who don't know what is the nested list, so let me tell you, list inside the list is nothing but the nested list. So here you can see we have one main list, and inside this main list we have sub list. So this is nothing but the nested list, and I want to print that nested list in this matrix format like 3 by 3. So might be chance interview gives such type of input where we have a nested list and he can ask you like print the in matrix format. So let's see how we can write a program to print in the matrix format. But before going to write a program, I want to show you something. For example, first I want to check the length of the string. So how we can check the length of the string? So we know for that we have a len function, and then we have to specify the list name. So in my case, list name is the list only. Then let me print L. Let me run. See, it's showing 3. So don't be confused why it's showing 3, because this entire things is inside the one list, and this entire thing inside the second list, and this entire thing inside the third list. One second, third list. So basically, if the any list having sub list inside the list, so that sub list is going to be considered one single count. Basically, what I'm trying to say, see, we have 3 nested lists, 1, 2, 3. So because of that only it's showing 3. But might be people think like it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, it will not going to count like this. It will going to count like based on the nested or sub list. So because of that only here we have a 3 sub list, it's showing 3. And one more thing, for example, I have comma then 9 this one, and let me run and check. See, it's showing 5. So how it's counting? 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. So basically this is the way how we can counting the nested list. So I hope you get clear idea. And one more thing, for example, I want to print this 40. So how I can print this 40? So let me show you. For that we need to specify the list name. This is my list name. Then I need to specify the index of this sub list. So we know this entire thing is the one list, this is the second list, this is the third list. So an index always start from 0. So this entire thing is present at the 0 index, and this entire thing present at the 1 index, and this entire things present at the second 2 index. So basically if I want to print this 40, so first I need to specify the index of this sub list. So as I told you, this entire thing present at the 0 index, and this entire things present at the 1 index. So I have to type 1 here. After that, I need to specify, like I have specified the list, sub list, because I have more than one sub list here. So I have first specify the sub list number, sub list index. So this is my sub list or nested list, which is present at the index 1. Then inside that I need to again specify the index which one I want. So if I want to print 40, so it is present at the 0 index. So again I have to write 0. Let me run and show you. Say it's printing 40. So this is the way how you can access the nested list element. And one more thing, for example, you want to access this one, this 70. So we know this is 0, 1, 2. So here I need to write 2. And this 70 present first element only. So 0 is okay. Then let me run. See, 0. So before going to start actual programming, I want to show these things. Because of that only I have shown you. Let me remove and we will see exactly what we need to do. So what I want to do, I want to print this list in the matrix format, what we have earlier see. So how we can do, for example, for that we can do for each I, or I is nothing but the each element in the range. So what is the range? So I want to give the range of this list only. So we can give list, and we know it is nothing but the 3 only. It will start from 0, 1, 2. So like that only. Then again, what I want to do, see, first I am specifying this range. One second. Range. So basically it is a 3 only. Then again, what I want to do, after that I want to provide the range for the internal content. So see, this I is not, is I is going to store the range like 0, 1, 2, and this I is nothing but this entire sub list. And after that I need to, so one more variable which is going to be iterate inside this sub list. For that I'm going to take for j, or j is nothing but the for each element in the range. And what is the range? So range should be list of, first here I need to specify the this one. So first I want to specify I. So see, for each element in the range, and the range, what is the range? List of I. So list of I having how much how many elements? So 3 only. So it will iterate 3 times only. Because of that only I have written 3. And here I have given the in outer like sublist count. So with the help of this I, we will get count of this sublist, and which is nothing but the range in 0 to 2, which is 3 elements 0, 1, 2. And this j is nothing but the I'm going to use for the internal iteration. Then again here, then after that what I want to do, I want to print. What I want to print? First I want to print the list of I. See, why I need to write the I? So I is basically not going to tell you the sublist, which sublist we are going to print. So this, and because of that only I have shown you previously how we can access the sublist. So this I is not going to be provide the sublist position or index or range like 0 to 2. So list of I is nothing but the indicating the this sublist. Then again I want to specify the which internal element you want to print. So for that I want to print the j like that. So let me run and show you exactly what it is going to be print. One second. List object cannot be interpreted as an integer. One second. Here I want the range of listener, so I cannot write directly here. For that I need to take length function. One second, let me show you how. Yeah, because length function will provide the number. So, and we cannot pass directly list data type here. We have to pass the number, because range is always going to be work on number, and the same things we need to do here also. Yeah, let me run. See, it's printing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. But we don't want in this format. We want in the matrix format. So what we can do, come here. I want to print space. Like not space exactly. See what I want to do. After 10, I want to print immediate 20, then immediate 30, then like that I want to print. I don't want to print in this format. So if you don't want to break the line, for that you can do and equals to space. Let me run. See, it's printing in this format. But again, we have one problem. Let me first add space. Yeah, now it's looking good. But again, we have problem. We don't want entire thing in the same line. We want like three element in the same line, then this three in the below, then three will be in below. So what we can do, see, one single shot, it is going to print this three element. After this three element, I want to break the line and I want to print these things below here. So what we can do print, that's it. Here I'm taking one blank print. So after printing this three element, it is going to be print blank line. Then again, it will come here and print the second line. So this is how we can print the nested element in the matrix format. So I'm getting this problem, and because of that only, because this concept was very complicated, because of that only, it's at initially only I have shown you how you can access the uh, nested list item. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.